Today, I'm sewing a small paper bag style gift bag. These gift bags are for the boys' teachers as Christmas gifts. It's just the right size to hold a gift card, a small card, and a few treats. Not my usual way of sewing bags. Watch till the end. Apply fusible interfacing to the wrong side of the outer fabric. Let's get started. Base the handles in place. Attach the handles 2 centimeters away from the center on each side. Attach a handle to the other side as well. Place the lining right side down. This bag is super easy to make, so I highly recommend it. When I made the second one, I timed myself and it took less than 20 minutes. It's perfect as a gift bag. Cut the corners. Turn right side out through the opening. Top stitch. Fold up 4 centimeters. Fold it in half so the lining shows, then sew both sides. Box the corners to create the gusset. There's a guideline on the back, so just sew right along that line. Turn it right side out and shape it. Press the bottom with an iron to create a crease. Instead of just handing over a card, it's so cute to put it in a little bag like this, right?